Angular framework provides two main change detection strategies. One is default and second one is OnPush. To demonstrate how that works, I will use this example here with products. We will display list of products, and on this button here we will increase each time only price of first product. For both change detection strategies, UI behavior will be same, but in background there is a big difference to performances. We will see all benefits of using on-push strategy instead default strategy. It will be much clearer why is that when I explain you in code how they works. So let's go in editor. Let's explain what we have here in our app component. Let's go in template. Here. We will display here product list component. And we have also here log method, which will be most important for our demonstration of change detection. Basically, each time when Angular run change detection, it reevaluates every template expression. This method will print in console something. Let's see in app.ts here. It will print this message change detection for app component, and we will know that change detection is happened. Okay, let's explore product list component here. This component has an array of products inside. Product is interface with name and price. And here we have update price method, which will increase price of product and return new object or old, depend on index of product in array. Why we are doing this on this way, we will see later. It is related with on-push change detection. And finally in template, here, we will call this method onClick event, and here we will display all product items. Information about product will be passed via input property to product item component. Inside product item, we are displaying information about product name and product price. And we have here also log method, which will be called when Angular run change detection in our component. So we have everything now to test our two strategies. And we will use first default strategy in all components and see how change detection works in that case. Strategy is defined as property here in component decorator. Default strategy is value by default, so we can omit this here, but we will put here explicitly this to be more clear about which strategy we are talking about. We need to set it here in product item component, also here in product list, and also here in app component. Okay, let's open application in browser and see logs in console for change detection. Right-click inspect, and here in console we can see logs. Let's refresh page. We have one change detection in app component on start. Then we have in product list, and for each product item we have one change detection. And again we have one more cycle of change detection Why is that? Because in development mode, Angular will always runs 2 times change detection. It works on that way. But in production mode, it will runs only one. You can remember that. And let's now see what will happen if we trigger change detection with click on this button in product list component. Let's first clean console to be easier to follow. Click on button. And we have same situation as earlier. In app component, in product list, in product items, change detection is run. And once again, we have cycle. And here our value for price is updated. And basically Angular will go through whole tree of components from root to child components and runs change detection. You can maybe at this point see that this could be problematic for performances. Imagine that we have thousands of products and each time when something happens, our change detection will start everywhere. And we will see now how we can optimize this using OnPush change detection strategy in Angular. Let's change in our components strategy. OnPush here, also here in product list, and also here in product item. With OnPush strategy, Angular will run change detection only if input reference changes or if event happens inside the component, like here in product list component, in template. Here, click will trigger change detection. So when in our case this input reference will be changed, we have here in our product list this update price method, and here we are doing mapping, and we are telling that only if product has index 0, new object with new reference will be created. All other products will have old reference. That means after this method complete, we will pass only for first product new reference here in template, here, and only in that case change detection will be run in our product item component. So optimization is here. Only if this reference is changed in parent component, our change detection will happen. Otherwise, it will not. Okay, let's see this in browser. Refresh page, clean console, and click now on this button. We can see here we have some difference. Change detection was run in component where event happened, here in product list, but it is only run in the first product item component with name phone, because only there we change the reference. So this is huge optimization. You may ask only why still in app component change detection is run. Because when a DOM event occurs inside a component, in our case product list, there was a click event, Angular marks the component where the event occurred as dirty. Angular also marks all ancestor components up to the root as dirty. Then Angular runs change detection from the root of the marked subtree down. So even if app component is on push strategy, it is an ancestor of product list component, so it will be also dirty. Angular checks it to ensure the whole subtree is consistent. So once again, when we click on button, only in this product item, phone, we will have change detection. In other products, we don't have, and that is big optimization because we could have many products here and our application may be slow. Also, when we use OnPush strategy, we can notice that we will have only one cycle of change detection here, not two like it is with default strategy. In this video, you saw all benefits of using OnPush strategy, so use it where you can. Every optimization is good and it will make your application faster. So that will be everything about change detection. I hope you learned something new. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.